So if you have an outline of an object, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and draw out a circle right here, and let me just go ahead and change around, let's say for example, the size of this outline right here. And you can also go ahead and choose a style as you want from one of these options around over here. So if I were to go around over here, this is the style that I have. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and convert this outline into an object. So now in order to do that, you need to go around onto the object menu right here. And once you go around over here onto the object menu right here, you can simply go ahead and convert the outline to an object. So once you go ahead and do that, now what happens is that the outline now has been converted to a shape. So if I were to go around and choose, let's say for example, a color right here. So let's just go around and choose a line right here just like this. So let's just go around onto this particular line around over here, and let me just go around add in a color around over here as well. And if I were to go around and change around the width right here just like this, then this is what I have. So if I were to go around and change this around, then this is what you have. You can go ahead and change around the style right here just like this, and change around the style right here to inside or outside right here just like this from over here, and then change it around into how you like, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and convert the outline to object inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.